Hello Team Iceland, I'm coming at you from beautiful Reykjavik. It is just an amazing day in Iceland. One of those days that it's not too bitter cold, the sky is blue, and we just got a beautiful blanket of fresh snow. Not to mention that golden hour glow in the sky. It's so pretty right now. I just love it. I was just out for my afternoon walk and I wanted to stop and share what we're going to be doing this evening. It is currently mid-November, and that means it is the beginning of Jólaborð, which translates to Christmas buffet. Every year around this time, from now up into Christmas, there are Christmas buffets available. Now, this is a really fun time of year because a lot of locals are getting together and attending these Christmas buffets with their coworkers or with their family or with their friends or maybe both. And they're getting together and going and having these beautiful buffet dinners where they're sitting and spending several hours just hanging out, talking, and getting ready for the holiday season. And so these buffets are unique because you can't really find buffets around Iceland year round. But Christmas buffet is a huge deal. It's something that everyone looks forward to, and I would confidently say that most Icelanders are going to do this at some time in the next 6 weeks. So in the past, we have also done this every year, whether it was with our coworkers or with our friends, and so I'm so excited to be doing this again this year. And so I was looking at a list of Christmas buffets and I was like, you know, we don't need to go to just any Christmas buffet for this video. We need to go to an awesome Christmas buffet. This is why I am so excited to share the Christmas buffet choice of 2019 is Fjörukráin. You guys will probably see when we get there, this building looks like it's straight off of the show Vikings. It is a beautiful facility, and they have their Christmas buffet starting this weekend. I'm just really looking forward to our time there, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with so you can also see what a Christmas buffet is. And it's already dark out. That's life in Iceland. Well, we are incredibly full. What was your favorite part?
Pork, I guess, and hungry kid.
I love hungry kid. And I think the pork is pretty high for me as well. We always just like this Well, friends, it's the day after the Christmas buffet because we tried to finish up the video yesterday in the car on the way home, and I swear we were both in a food coma. So the good news is we had plenty to eat and so much delicious food. A couple of things that I wanted to talk about if you're thinking about going to a Christmas buffet. I mean, I know some of you are coming over Christmas or around this holiday season and you're interested in maybe joining one yourself. So a really important note is that if you are wanting to join these Christmas buffets, you have to make reservations well in advance. This place was absolutely packed last night, and they told me that pretty much throughout the rest of the season, you can't get a reservation. So trust me, if you want to attend a Christmas buffet, you're gonna have to look up where to go and make your reservations early. I wish that we would have been there during the daylight. I mean, I'm gonna have to go back to this place for sure because it is such a cool building. It was just so festive and really got us in the Christmas spirit before we even walked in the door. The moment we stepped in the door, we were surrounded with coziness. I just wanted to sit there all night and just hang out and just be in this beautiful atmosphere. So I think it's really important to mention that this is a Viking lodge. I mean, this is authentic, one of the oldest buildings in the city of Hafnarfjörður, and it was just so cozy and awesome in there. On top of that, you had the live festive traditional music, which of course adds just another level of awesomeness on top of you sitting in this Viking lodge eating a delicious dinner. Now on to the food. So like I said before, we have been to other Christmas buffets and the food here was incredible. You could tell that they focused on the essentials and made that food really, really high quality. Which reminded me that if you guys are interested in trying one of these Christmas buffets, it's such a good way to sample the local cuisine. So they had things on the buffet like smoked lamb, roasted lamb, smoked lox, reindeer pate, laufabrauð, and so many other delicious foods. Both my husband and I agreed that our favorite part was the pork, but I am also a huge fan of lamb, so that came in close second for me. And that was just the buffet part of it. By that time we were plenty full, but of course we had to sample the desserts, which were also delicious. So all in all, it was such a wonderful evening. One of my favorite things about the holiday traditions here in Iceland, and I'm so happy to be able to share it with you because did you know that 85% of you on Instagram said that you didn't know what a Christmas buffet was and then you wanted to know. So now you know. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you learned something extra about the culture in Iceland. And guess what? I have so many more exciting culture videos coming up for you, so make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Can you, even with the snow, I love all of this fresh snow that we got. It's so beautiful. Look at it, it's just gently sitting on the trees. Oh, I love winter in Iceland. It's so amazing.